Hey MSquad, welcome back to my channel. Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. Today I'm back with another video. Today I am going to be doing a demo using two products from Bask and Bloom. Today I'm going to be using the Bask and Bloom Mango Castor Twisting Cream as well as their Silky Aloe Curl Pudding. So I'm going to be using those two products on my hair to do this awesome braid out. But before I jump into this video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comments in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know why I could never pronounce that, but I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. so turn on the notification bell as well so that you're notified every time I post a new video. But enough of me talking, I'm just going to jump into the video. Today's video is going to be quick and easy. I'm going to have some nice music playing in the background, and I'm going to insert some tips and tricks along in this video as well so you can follow through with it, you could jam with me, and we could have a good time. So yeah, let's jump into the video right now.
Picking up where we left, off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life. Just far away, but I will stay, I will stay. Just take a leap of faith, we'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now.
Okay, so I am done braiding my hair. So what I'm going to do is sit under my hooded dryer for about 25 minutes, and then I'm going to air dry for the rest of the night, and I will come back on camera tomorrow to show you guys me unraveling my hair. So yeah, and I'll probably post some behind the scenes stuff on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is @KinkyCurlyMary. And the link to my Instagram is also in the description bar as well. If you, I don't know, for some reason can't find me, you can always click the link in the description bar. So yeah, I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer for about 25 minutes, and I'm going to air dry, and I will see you guys tomorrow to show you guys me unraveling my hair as well as the final results. But I know that my hair is gonna turn out really good because it feels really good to begin with. And my hair smells good too, so I know I'm gonna have that nice chunky defined look that I'm going for. So yeah guys, I will see you guys tomorrow.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
And that is it for my video today. These are my results. I am on day 1 hair, and I am loving how my hair looks. It's nice and juicy, nice and defined, nice and bouncy as well. It has movement to it, and most importantly, my hair smells really good, guys. So if you guys like my results and you're interested in trying Bask and Bloom, I do have a coupon code that you can use. You can use this coupon code on everything except bundle deals as well as travel kits on the website. My code is Mary20. I'm going to leave it right here, and I'm also going to have it in the description box as well so that you guys can check it out and save 20% off your entire purchase. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, MSquad, peace and love always.
Bye. We got so intense.